Pakistan, a land of beauty, has a vibrant culture. Mesmerizing landscape and diverse climate. Pakistan Army is the defender of this stunning land and its resilient people. Army Medical Corps is a vital component of the Pakistan Army. Which provides round-the-clock medical support to its personnel and their families. At independence, Pakistan Army got a meager share of medical resources from the British Indian Army. Army Medical Corps has evolved and progressed in all dimensions since then. It has developed international standard training and treatment facilities. It has established specialized institutes to meet the existing and potential future challenges. Recently, National University of Medical Sciences has been established to integrate and consolidate training of medical professionals. AMC provides medical support to the Pakistan Army in all kinds of terrain. Its underwater medicine specialists deliver education and training to Pak Navy. And its flight surgeons ensures combat fitness of Pakistan Air Force's pilots. Due to its geography, Pakistan is vulnerable to various kinds of natural disasters, and war on terror has posed a new challenge to provision of effective medical support. Army Medical Corps is always at the forefront in such disasters, providing relief and compassion to the people in floods, earthquakes, droughts, and temporarily displaced people. Its professional manpower imperils their own lives to provide on-the-spot medical treatment to victims of incidents. Sundar factory incident at Lahore is an appropriate example of professionalism of AMC's doctors. AMC professionals were called in for help as the local medical and rescue organizations considered the incident beyond their capabilities. A surgeon of AMC conducted on-the-spot surgery of a victim right under the unstable debris of the fallen factory. Army Medical Corps' humanitarian spirit transcends borders, be it tsunami, Nepal earthquake, and medical support to UN missions across the globe. AMC has proven to respond timely, treat professionally, and compassionately.
Whatever the nature or magnitude of challenge might be, the Army Medical Corps is always there to provide care and cure. We have toiled and made sacrifices Many of ours have embraced martyrdom as well in the line of duty, including Lieutenant General Mushtaq Ahmed Beg Shaheed, our Surgeon General in 2008. We feel good about our ability to help because we feel the pain of the victims. It is our responsibility to listen to the crying hearts and to empathize with the aggrieved. We like to treat the wounds and endeavor to help heal the souls. While we continue to learn and gain in experience and expertise, we are here to share the same with all our friends from around the world.